Installing the Astro 120 walk-in shower wall. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely level. Shower wall assembly. After installing the shower tray, the next step is to assemble the cabin frame. Before you start installing the rail profile and the bridging support bracket, you must first decide how far the safety glass should be from the wall. The measured distance should not exceed 120 centimeters. It is recommended to adjust the rail profile to the size of the shower tray and then fix it vertically to the wall. After drilling the rail profile, we slide in the safety glass. Then press the rubber strip onto the rail to attach the glass. Then the bridging support console is cut to size. Use an iron saw or a circular saw to cut to size. After cutting the bridging support console to size, it is fixed to the wall and then to the glass. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.